Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to see a company called Trilon, and they have huge openings for construction workers, especially the people who have got graduated in Canadian industries. And this company is in Ontario. They're going to recruit, and the current position is for project coordinator in our inspection service work group. And we're going to see in depth about the roles and responsibility, the experience profile, and what are the requirements they require. And similarly, we're going to see another position as well. If you're interested, stay tuned.
For latest update, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In our channel, I do upload tons of new videos regarding immigration process, job post, and new latest update about immigration for countries like Canada, UK, Australia to save your valuable money. And but don't forget to please share, like, and comments me below to love to hear from you. And now I'm going to have a new announcement for our viewers. Finally, now we are stepping into a social media Instagram platform. Please follow that too for latest update. I will be updating in that too, and we'll have a interaction each other and share our thoughts with the people and in order to help them, and the link is in the description box below.
Okay, before explaining about the job profile, I've given this link in the description box below. At the end of this video, you just click that. If your profile is suitable for this, you can start applying. And the people who have immigrated to Canada across the globe, I can start apply for this. And before starting into this video, they have given some email ID as well. Before applying, you can send an email or your profile and curriculum, whatever resume you have, you can send that email to them. Okay, now we will go to the current position. And the first position they have given us for project coordinator in inspection service group. And in this role, they require is support manager on all client related activities and systems management as outlined, and communication project detail effectively to stakeholders and project teams, including preparation of technical reports, audit, sketch, and special reports. Provide daily and weekly progress reports as well. Scheduling for there, and then they ask for identify, track communication, and migrate issues and risk raised during the life cycle of the project, and manage workflow to revenue targeted daily reporting on new work entering the system and anticipated start date. And then they are required for control workflow and financial status of the project through dates and status management within the Salesforce system. And similarly, these two points, guys, you can have a walkthrough after this video. And what are the requirements they required, what are the graduation degrees you need to hold, and how many experience we're going to see in the steps in upcoming. To be successful in this role, you have to have a degree of civil or mechanical or electrical or similar educational background can be applicable for this role. So strong project management skill across the entire project lifecycle with the ability to multitask, adhere to multiple processes, and achieve a high degree of accuracy. And they required, most importantly, you need to note how many experience you need to have to apply for this job. They have given clearly demonstrate a minimum 2 to 3 years of experience of success in project management in client facing capacity. If you have experience more than 2 to 3 years in project management profile, you can start applying. And if even if you know your friends or relation or relative, whoever may be, have this kinds of opportunity, you're looking for this in Canada, in Ontario, can start applying. Please share this video to them also. Sometime it may be useful for them during this pandemic. And then we'll see a proven track record delivering project using a mature discipline as well as a strong aptitude for stakeholder management and clear communication. Excellent. And then they require excellent written and verbal communication. Then must be able to read engineering and architectural drawings. Even if you are coming from any backgrounds like civil, mechanical, and electrical, you need to have a basic understanding of studying the drawings of architecture and engineering, and then you need to have a strong command of Microsoft Office. This general one you need to have anyhow, and preference will be given to those candidates with a strong knowledge in the telecommunications industry. This is a full-time and a permanent job, guys. So if you are interested, please start applying after this video, and please share to your friends as well. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to comment me below for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.